Hi everyone, welcome to Veganvv.com. Our free vegan recipes like this one are rolling out as much as we can. On our website, you may also find the vegan restaurant details and the food they serve. And more will come. Vegan people start to share their personal vegan experience on Veganvv.com. We hope these give you confidence and plenty solutions to become a vegan. It will benefit yourself, benefit our environment, and it will benefit our Mother Earth. Enjoy discovering the world of vegan. We are now making normal Salt Semolina Corn Burger. Many people begin to discover the benefits of plant-based diet. Their health conditions are improved. Goodness doesn't have to be complicated. These are the nutritional benefits of the materials used in this simple burger recipe. Semolina is the coarse purified wheat middlings of drum wheat, mainly used in making couscous, pasta, and sweet puddings. Semolina provides high levels of B vitamins, iron, protein, and fiber. Semolina may promote weight loss. Semolina supports heart health. Semolina may improve blood sugar control and reduce risk of type 2 diabetes. Semolina is rich in iron that is essential for oxygen transportation, anemia prevention, support of body's growth and development, as well as immune system. Semolina supports digestive health. Corn is also known as maize. It got nutritional benefits for us. Corn may reduce risk of cancer, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. They may help protect against colon cancer and prevent diverticulitis. Corn are also good for eye health. Carrots are nutritional. Carrots may reduce risk of cancer. Carrots may lower blood cholesterol. Carrots help weight loss. Carrots may keep eye health and cut risk of age-related macular degeneration. Carrots may protect against leukemia and other cancers. Eating tomato has many health benefits. Tomatoes prevent several types of cancers, such as lung, stomach, or prostate cancer. Tomatoes prevent disease in pancreas, colon, throat, mouth, breast, and cervix. They help control bad cholesterol and blood pressure. Tomatoes boost heart health. They may keep your eye health as well. Tomatoes help in asthma and emphysema. Tomatoes reduce risk of stroke. Tomatoes help gum diseases. Tomatoes shield you from sun internally. Lettuce has fair bit of nutritional benefits. It strengthens your bones. Lettuce hydrates your body. It keeps your eyes healthy. Lettuce promotes sleep. Let's start, shall we? This recipe is to make 4 burgers. We need 200 grams of semolina corn. Semolina can be purchased at all major supermarkets, grocery stores, as well as fruit and vegetable stores. It costs less than $3 a kilogram. 1 cup of frozen corn kernels. In supermarket's frozen vegetable section, 1 kilogram pack of corn kernels costs $5 Australian dollars. Take a cup out to defrost. Half cup of glutinous rice flour. We may get glutinous rice flour from supermarket Asian section, or we can go to Asian grocery store. A 500 gram pack from Woolworths costs me less than $2 Australian dollars. Half cup of plain flour. For ingredients, we need 1/4 teaspoon of oil to mix patties and 1 teaspoon to cook the patties. 1 teaspoon of salt. Little bit of sugar. I use multigrain buns to make the burgers. Applesauce is perfect for bedding. I use carrot, tomato, and coarse lettuce for topping and filling vegetables. I use barbecue sauce for this burger sauce. All the materials and ingredients of this recipe can be found on Veganvv's website, recipe section. You may watch the guide on how to use Veganvv.com towards the end of this video. Before I start any cooking, I will check if my knives are sharp. When I cut, blunt knife may jump to an unexpected direction. With a blunt knife in my hand, I will easily cut my fingers. Thank you, Carl. If you're using oven method to warm buns, you may preheat oven now. From the 3 methods we recommend to warm buns, I will use micro-oven method. You may find all these 3 methods on Veganvv's homepage. Soak the semolina corns. Soak about 10 minutes. Wash the carrot, tomato, and coarse lettuce. I may also defrost the corn kernels with tap water. Drain the semolina. Peel off carrot skin. Cut its both ends off. Slice the carrot. Slice the tomato too. Dry the coarse lettuce with paper towel. We need a large bowl to make patties. I have already put the soaked semolina in this large bowl. Add the corn kernels. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. We put a little bit of sugar and a little bit of oil. Add a half cup of plain flour. From the half cup of glutinous rice flour recipe, we add half of it first. Mix them together. The dough is quite soft now. Add the rest of the glutinous rice flour. Give them a good mix. This is the finished dough. It's soft and set. We divide them into 4 equal parts. Flat pan and curved spatula are very useful to cook patties. Turn on the heat. Add some oil. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Non-stick pan is quite good to cook patties with less oil or no oil. Our body shouldn't take too oily food. If I wet my hands with water, dough won't stick on my hands. Let's make the patties. Now I can make it into a ball, then press down. Put the first patty into the pan. I'm turning off the heat. I don't want my hands to be burned. Make the patties one after another. Place all of them in the pan. Turn the heat back on. Start to cook the patties. Let them cook in high for 2 minutes, then I reduce the heat to medium. Let the oil flow around. On my electric cooktop, I flick the patties in 5 to 6 minutes. This side is golden already. Smells nice too. I can cook the carrot together with the patties. Cook the carrot are nice in burgers. Flip the carrots. In this 5 to 6 minutes time while we cook the other side of the patties, carrots will be cooked too. I use microwave method to warm bread buns. I may start to do it now. Take the carrots out first. Let's see if the bottom side of the patties are done. Looks good in the golden brown. We can turn off the heat now.
Mom, it's a beautiful day. What is the last time you come to Opera House?
3 years ago, Billy. I started to feel pain in my leg after that.
Mom, I wish I could bring you here earlier. I have many commitments. I should have kept some time for you.
Billy, your company is always a good cure for me.
Next time when calf back from Tasmania, we may come here again.
Thank you, Billy.
I like to have the filling vegetables and sauce handy when I make the burgers. The bread is heated with microwave method. It's soft and warm. Use wavy edge knife to cut the bread is easy. Spread applesauce on the bread. Add the tomato and lettuce. I put some barbecue sauce on the lettuce. Such a good looking and warm patties has its own meanings of no slaughtering. Squeeze some more barbecue sauce. Cook the carrot piece on top of the patties. Normal Salt Semolina Corn Burger is made. This is a unique recipe. In this recipe, semolina is served as texture. The patties may be served individually in breakfast, snacks, morning tea, afternoon tea, or light meals after dinner. Sweetness from corn kernels contribute a natural slight sweetness taste in the patties. Even a tiny bit of sugar is added. The patties' overall taste is a tasty savory. Putting the patties in burger, especially when they are combined with the fresh crunchy vegetables such as tomatoes and lettuce, with the adding of barbecue sauce, the burger becomes comprehensively perfect. This is also a type of burger that may easily make people feel full. The patty is served as breakfast with soy milk. I may have them with brown rice as formal Asian meals. Have the patties with brown rice and Chinese cabbage carrot mushroom nugget soup. Recipe of the soup can be found in Veganvv's website. Hope this quick guide may help you easily find information on Veganvv.com. The nature has given us plenty plants for our food. We classify them into 5 categories: vegetables, fruits, grains, dried, and transitions. Users don't have to know the name of the plants. Move the cursor on the computer or move your finger on your mobile phone. Each plant has an image. This will help you easily identify which plant you are after. When you click this plant's page appears. It will tell you the nutritional benefits of this plant, as well as recipes of the plants. To take the advantage of all these nutritional benefits, try the recipes.
Excuse me, I want to read it quickly. May I click this surprise man to listen to these benefits?
Surprise? It's shocking. To listen to this article, you may click this arrow below the blue line. Nutritional benefits of butter mushrooms. According to article written by Miss Irene Lan, another example. Let's go to Plenty Food, dried and choose soybeans. Once you click the soybean page comes up. In the soybean page, you may find the health benefits of soybeans and lists of all recipes using soybeans. A page may only list 12 recipes. Click More Recipes at the bottom to view more recipes. Click any of the recipe you like. Let's try Mango Soybean Milkshake. Mango Soybean Milkshake recipe page is coming up. You may watch the videos on how to make mango soybean milkshake. You may find the materials, ingredients, tips, others, and procedures of the recipe. You may also share this recipe via Facebook, WeChat, X, Pinterest, or Line. If you are looking for vegan recipe ideas for breakfast, lunch and dinner, snacks, or drinks and soaps, just click them next to the procedure. For example, breakfast ideas. All recipes that are suitable for breakfast come up in breakfast page. Click any photo of the recipe you like. The recipe page will pop up. Veganvv's recipe aim for better health outcome. Majority of them don't use much oil or don't use oil. They use low sugar or no sugar, low salt or no salt. You may also get these ideas by go to Recipes and choose any drop-down menu. Transitions introduce vegan meat, vegan dairy, and vegan milk products. Most of them are plant-based manufacturing products. The products help people to transit from meat, dairy, or cow milk to vegan diet. You may also find homemade vegan milk recipes in Transitions page. For those who are still hesitating to go vegan, you may look at the Choose page. People are telling you their own personal experience after becoming a vegan. Veganvv are caring for all lives on Earth. We want to protect our planet by all means. Some useful tips like how to become a vegan can be found on the home page. For your convenience, Veganvv provides a search function. Search function is on the top right corner or at the bottom of the site. Users can search for particular plants, an illness, or any recipes. For example, I got broccoli in my fridge. How am I going to cook my broccoli today? Type in broccoli. Open the broccoli page. Great! Broccoli has many nutritional benefits. Scroll down. Recipes to use broccoli are here. I may open any of these recipes to cook my broccoli accordingly. If you are suffering from diabetes, type in diabetes. All plants that is good or bad for diabetes comes up. We got 141 results here for diabetes. You may go to each plant page for more details. The search function displays 9 results per display. Scroll to the bottom, click Next page for other results. Having noodles for the meal is quick and easy. Search noodle. There are many noodle recipes on veganvv.com. So far, nearly 5 pages of vegan noodle recipes. Search burger. 30 burger recipes appear. There will be more. All recipes have video teaching. This may help you follow the recipe quicker. You may subscribe to Veganvv with your name, email address, and your own password. Veganvv has 2 language versions, English and Chinese. You may switch between these 2 languages at any page by clicking the language buttons on the top right corner. Our vision is a narrative description by Veganvv from a professional perspective, encompassing both natural and human sciences. Veganism is only one part of the Industrial Revolution necessary to reverse the fate of the Earth. In this sweeping wave of transformation, every industry, not only food and energy, will face unprecedented challenges. We hope our perspective can serve as a foundation, helping you swiftly move beyond hesitation, follow your conscience, and recognize another door that is opening for you. vegan restaurants are being listed on Dine Out page. It takes some time to upload the map. You are lucky if there are local vegan dining places in your area. You may go and eat directly. If there's no local vegan places, browse through the vegan places in other areas. Get a feeling on their brilliant vegan food ideas. It could be very helpful for you, especially for those who want to start their own vegan business. Being a vegan yourself is quite crucial to a successful vegan business. Veganvv will continue to list vegan eating places in more countries and continents. The world is fast approaching to an all-vegan global community. Hope Veganvv may help you to ride on the wheels and benefit yourself from all aspects of this trend. With more and more vegan recipes and vegan dining places coming on Veganvv website, you may visit veganvv.com as often as you can. Thank you.
Veggie, vegetable, vegetables, vegetables, fruits, grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, red or green, purple or white, yellow or bright. When zucchini rolls, together with the bike we ride, to welcome the sun that shines on us. And dance on the tomato. We are so lucky to be a vegan that we may pump up our health for our family, that we are as energetic as we hope. What a wonderful world it could be when all of us are vegan. Fish, fish, fish. They were nearly gone under if people didn't bring them out from the market and hold them free into the water. The place where they can breathe. The place they belong to. And the place they can be with their family. Being a vegan is so wonderful. Join us, join us, join us, join us. Fish, fish, fish. There's once when they were released into the water, they are swimming to form circles and heart. They are saying thank you in their way. Oh, we can hear it. That's a thank you from their heart, from Mother Earth, from the universe. Vegan creates new business opportunities everywhere in the world. Vegan brings employment after employment at your doorstep.
Vegan or becoming a vegan? Please help us out, help the world out by sharing. Share your personal vegan experience. Share your favorite vegan recipes. Share the vegan restaurants you like. And offer more help if you can, such as translate veganvv.com into your native languages. For details, go to homepage at veganvv.com. Let's move forward to better life of us, to Mother Earth's better life, and to our future. Thank you. See you soon.